Best Mystrika Reviews with Lifetime Deal. Boost your sales with less effort. Mystrika Reviews highlight the platform's efficiency in boosting sales with less effort. Maximizing sales with Mystrika. This leads to more sales conversations and growth. Building your email reputation, grow your sales and make the most out of every outreach. Harnessing Mystrika's powerful features. Segmentation, target the right people with the right message. Effortless email campaign management. Get your email campaigns set up in under 5 minutes with Mystrika. AI automated warm-up to build your email reputation. Personalized email outreach that increases open rates and response rates. Automated follow-up for leads that don't convert immediately. Sales automation that streamlines your sales process, freeing up your time to focus on what truly matters. Mystrika's warm-up functionality. Built for small business owners, freelancers and marketers at renowned companies. By carefully managing email sends, Mystrika helps secure your business's email strategy. Improve your response rate and avoid the spam folder when sending emails, and engage your audience and improve the chances of your emails being read. Less effort for more revenue. Simplify your email management with comprehensive dashboard. Mystrika's system ensures that businesses can focus on growth without the heavy lifting. Smart replies. Keep conversations flowing with AI-driven responses. Really, Mystrika has received praise for its powerful warm-up feature, effective email deliverability, and responsive customer support. Yes, effortlessly warm up your email, grow your sales and build your reputation. So, why not try it for yourself today? Just click on the link below description and start to build your goal. Last of all, special thanks for watching, and please do not forget like and subscribe. Again, thanks and happy day.